This image explains the difference between electrolyte drinks and plain water and when to use each. Water. Best for daily hydration. Keeps your body refreshed. Enough when you are not sweating a lot or not sick. Electrolyte drinks. Contain salts or minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Help when your body loses fluids and salts, such as heavy exercise, hot weather, or vomiting or diarrhea. Help muscles, nerves, and energy work properly. Simple idea. Normal day, water is enough. Sweating a lot, illness, or intense workout, electrolyte drink is better. So electrolyte drinks are not for all the time, only when your body needs extra minerals to stay hydrated. In simple words, electrolyte water and why electrolytes are important for our body. Electrolyte water. It is water mixed with minerals, electrolytes like sodium, Na, potassium, K, magnesium, Mg, and chloride, Cl. Why do we need electrolytes? Electrolytes help the body to improve energy and focus, support hydration, helps water stay in the body, support muscle function, improve nerve function, help repair body tissues, replace minerals lost through sweat. In simple words, when you sweat, exercise, or feel weak, your body loses minerals. Electrolyte water replaces these minerals and helps your body work properly. When is it useful? After exercise, in hot weather, during tiredness or dehydration, after illness, vomiting or diarrhea. Normal days, plain water is enough. Extra sweating or weakness, electrolyte water helps. What are electrolytes? Electrolytes are important minerals in our body, such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride. What do? Electrolytes help to send nerve signals, help muscles move, including the heart, balance water in the body, keep the body active and working properly. In very simple words, electrolytes are salts, minerals in water that help your nerves, muscles, and heart work smoothly and keep the right amount of water in your body. Electrolytes are minerals in your body fluids, like blood and sweat, that carry an electric charge. Examples: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and chloride. They are essential for hydration, muscles, nerves, and many body functions. 1. Sources of electrolytes. You can get electrolytes from food, fruits, banana, avocado, vegetables, dairy, nuts. Drinks, water, coconut water, sports drinks. Supplements, electrolyte powders, tablets, or ORS. 2. Benefits of electrolytes. Electrolytes help your body to stay hydrated and replace fluids lost through sweat, balance body fluids inside and outside cells, support energy production, improve exercise performance and recovery, maintain muscle function, prevent cramps and weakness, keep bones and teeth strong, support the nervous system, brain and nerve signals, regulate body pH, acid-base balance, help tissue repair and healing, maintain healthy blood pressure. In short, electrolytes keep your body working smoothly.